In this video, I will show you how to change a video from private to public on YouTube. Now to get started, come across to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once you've done that, click onto your YouTube profile icon in the top right hand corner, and from here you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto content, and from here you want to find the video that's currently set to private. So what I'm going to do is use this one as an example. You can see on the right hand side this is currently set to private. Now all you need to do is click the pencil icon which says details, and from the video details page, if you scroll down slightly and look over to the right hand side, you're going to find the option for visibility. All you need to do is give that a click. From here you can change it to public, and once you've done that, come and click done at the bottom. Now make sure you come up to the top as well and click the save button to apply your changes. As you can see, it says changes saved at the bottom, and this video has now been set from private to public. So that is how to change a video from private to public on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.